Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable voice chat in ROBLOX. Now it's a very easy process. So open a browser and open ROBLOX on that browser. Now after that, just simply click on the gear icon over here. Then go to settings panel. Now over here you have to click on verify my age. Now a side note, you can only use the voice feature if you're above 18, and when you're above 18 you have to verify your age. Only then the feature will be unlocked on your account. Now click on verify my age. Then a QR code will appear in front of you. Now all you have to do is just simply use your phone to scan it. And after that, the process will begin on your phone directly. So click on go to website and go to a browser. Now just simply follow the steps shown to you on the phone. So firstly, click on begin verification. Now select your country. Now just simply choose the identification card that you're going to use to identify yourself. And now just simply take a photo. So click on the camera option. Then click on allow. Now just simply take a front photo first. Then simply click on use this photo. And now take the photo of the back. Then click on use this photo. Now wait for a few seconds. And now you have to take your own selfie. So complete that process as well by clicking on get started. And then when the verification process will complete, you'll find a congratulations page, something like this. And on the ROBLOX settings page, we'll also find a verification successful page as well. Now after that, just simply click on close over here. And now just like that, your age is now verified over here. Now, once you have done this process, go to the privacy section. And right over here, you should see the option of use microphone and voice chat. Enable this option over here. Click on enable. Now, not all games will have the feature, but in some games you will have the feature where you will have the option to enable your voice chat. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.